Dear friends, as we all know that getting into NIIT is not an easy task. It requires full dedication, focus and determination to qualify both GE, main, advanced and entrance exams. To prepare for highly competitive exams, the candidate not only needs to be determined and confident, but also needs to use the key and concise study materials written by well-known authors. Although plenty of books are available in the market for IIT preparation, it is suggested to use specific books to avoid the confusion over the various concepts in the subjects. Let me share highly recommended books for subjects physics, chemistry, and mathematics one by one for IIT entrance exams 2017. For chemistry, let me start with physical chemistry books. First book is NCERT chemistry textbooks for class 10 plus 1 and class 10 plus 2. NCERT textbooks are crucial books from the examination point of view. Whether you are preparing for board exams, IIT JEE entrance exams or any other engineering or medical entrance exams, NCERT books are one of highly recommended books for sufficient conceptual knowledge. Second book is Physical Chemistry. It is written by O.P. Tandon. It is quite popular in those who prepare for competitive exams. It covers entire physical chemistry syllabus related to the IIT JEE preparation. Third book is Numerical Chemistry. It is written by P. Bahadur. This book has lots of solved and unsolved numerical problems. The best covered topics are chemical equilibrium, ionic equilibrium and thermodynamics. It also has several IIT JEE model test papers for students to practice. It is a good book for learning the different methods to solve numerical problems. Fourth book is Modern Approach to Chemical Calculations. It is written by R.C. Mukherjee. It is one of the best physical chemistry books when it comes to numerical problems. The book excellently covers all types of numericals related to physical chemistry. It has good number of questions and all the topics related to JEE syllabus are well covered. Now let's move on to organic chemistry. First book is Organic Chemistry. It is written by O.P. Tandon and the publisher is G.R. Bhatla and Sons. It is one of the best organic chemistry book for entrance exams. It is highly recommended book for fundamental concepts. The reaction mechanisms of important chemical reactions are well explained and detailed. It also includes latest questions for different competitive examinations along with solutions. The second book is Organic Chemistry. It is written by Madison and Bond. The best topics covered in this book are molecular structures, properties, and principles of organic chemistry. Although the book does not cover much IIT JEE practice questions, but it is very good for understanding the concepts for beginners. The third book is Arihant Organic Chemistry. It is one of the most important books for quick learning and mastering the entire JEE syllabus for organic chemistry. All the basic concepts are covered well in this book with clear and crisp discussions. And the fourth book is a guidebook to mechanism in organic chemistry. The best covered topics in this book are structure, reactivity and mechanism, strength of acids and bases, and radicals and their chemical reactions. This book can be used as a reference book to understand reaction mechanism of chemical reactions. Now let's move on to Inorganic Chemistry. First book is Inorganic Chemistry. It is written by O.P. Tandon. It covers all the topics for IIT JEE syllabus. Each topic and theory are quite comprehensive and have been well explained. Second book is Concise Inorganic Chemistry. It is written by J.D. Lee. It is a very good for engineering and medical exam preparation. The book includes lot of multiple choice questions, MCQs, assertive type questions, as well as single choice questions for students practice. S, P, D and F block elements have been well covered and explained. Now let's move on to physics. First book is obviously NCERT physics books for class 10 plus 1 and class 10 plus 2. Second book is Concepts of Physics written by H.C. Verma. It is an all-inclusive textbook in itself. It is one of the best books for physics for understanding concepts and numerical problems based on different methods. Third book in physics is Fundamental Physics. It is written by Halliday, Resnick and Walker. The book describes physical principles, mathematical derivations of equations and laboratory experiments with solved examples. The topics like electromagnetism, rotation and wave optics have been well covered in this book. The fourth book is Problems in General Physics written by I.E. Irodo. It is a good book for practicing various types of numericals. It includes high difficulty level questions. Now let's move on for mathematics. The first book is obviously NCERT mathematics textbook for class 10 plus 1 and class 10 plus 2. Second book is Objective Mathematics Volume 1 and Volume 2 written by R.D. Sharma. It is one of the best books in mathematics for beginners. It covers the entire syllabus of mathematics pertaining to IIT, JEE, IEEE and other engineering examination syllabus. The book covers algebra, permutation and combinations, probability, quadratic equations and determinants very well. Third book is Trigonometry and Geometry written by S.N. Lonely. Both trigonometry and geometry are two different books which are written by the same author. The book includes various exercises which have both basic and standard questions. The last and fourth book for mathematics is A New Pattern Mathematics written by S.K. Goel. The book covers entire syllabus for IIT JEE entrance exams. It includes more than 8,000 questions of various categories. It is a combo book. It is one of the best books for solving numericals of different levels. Thank you.
For more updates on IIT JEE and NEET exams 2017, please subscribe to our channel to get a lot of updates. Thank you so much for watching and have a nice day.